CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Baugh Auto Body.
Take a look at this. As severe storms roll through the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you can see dozens of transformers blowing because of winds blowing up to 90 miles an hour. Over 125,000 customers lost power last night as those fast-moving storms came through North Texas. The good news is there were no storm-related injuries.
From the CBS 6 Storm Team, rated most accurate in Central Virginia, meteorologist Carrie Rose.
Well, back here, pretty quiet for us at the moment, but that same storm system that Cheryl was just showing you is coming our way tonight. I'll explain the impacts that we're going to get from that in a moment, but let's look out at our Old Town Petersburg camera looking off to the north and east. Still a lot of cloud cover around, but hey, you can see a few little blips of blue, peaks of blue sky and sunshine trying to break through. The best part of the state where I have seen some thinning of that cloud deck is to the south and west, which ironically is where we had the fog this morning. Now let's broaden out and let's look at the wingspan of this big storm system that has that history of producing severe weather. The low itself is now tracking up into Canada away from the Great Lakes. A strong surface cold front in blue here. Out ahead of it, you can see the cloud cover and the broken line of showers, and in some cases thunderstorms still ongoing right now with that system. But look at the air mass behind it. I said it was cooler. Temperatures have been falling into the 40s and 50s immediately behind the front. We're still on the warm side of the system. You can clearly see that from 60s to 70s all across the region out ahead of the cold front. So let's look at these temperatures. The cloud cover is really messing up our high temperatures for today, I think. 73 is where we're at right now. Yes, we're starting to see some sunshine breaking through, but I did lower down our high temperature for today a couple of ticks because of this. The cloud cover that has been so stubborn. So 79 is what I'm going to call for our high temperature this afternoon because of that mix of clouds and sunshine. And remember, you saw in that storm system approaching that it has another cloud deck coming with it. So even though mid-afternoon we might get a break in the clouds, get some sunshine, and that's when we should top out at 79, we'll have more cloud cover coming in. So it's stubborn clouds. That's what I'm describing for today. I do expect us to get showers and even a few thunderstorms with this system passing through overnight tonight in Richmond, starting around 9 p.m. at the earliest and ending at 7 a.m. at the latest tomorrow morning. And in the wake of this system, that cooler air that I just showed you is coming in, and Sunday morning is going to be our coldest morning in the wake of this system. So let's jump ahead. I want us to look at it and put it into motion. Let's zoom in nice and tight, pause here and check the clock. This is tonight at 9 p.m. That time I just told you that the earliest time frame that we could see those showers and storms reaching the Richmond metro area. Now there may be a stray shower or two out ahead of the main line, but this is the main show for us overnight tonight. In the yellow and orange shades, that's where you could get some of those pockets of thunderstorms. So I wouldn't be surprised if overnight tonight you wake up and hear those rumbles of thunder. Not expecting the severity that we saw with this system in the midsection of the country. Rain starts to shift into the peninsulas east of I-95 by 6 a.m. So that's why I'm saying 7 a.m. is the latest tomorrow morning that we could be impacted by that cold front triggering of the showers and a few thunderstorms. So how much rainfall could we get out of this? Well, if you're lucky enough to get one of the thunderstorms, you could maybe squeeze out closer to a quarter to a half of an inch of rain. But otherwise, the system is going to be moving through overnight, dropping relatively light rainfall amounts across the area. And then the big story becomes how cold will be Sunday morning in the 40s. Monday morning for your kids at the bus stop, probably going to want a fleece or an extra layer, Cheryl.
All right, we'll bundle up. Thank you, Carrie.